Thank you so much, folks. Thank you for sharing your beautiful voices with us.